having a sister or a daughter like Abongwe, you are highly blessed. Macele must be proud to have Abongwe Mseleku as her daughter. Anyway, guys, let's get started today. You know the rules of the house is welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love it. Anyway, guys, before we get to the story of Mpumelelo and Musa Mseleku, we firstly need to start here. So for those who don't know what is going on today, it is a special day. So Musa Mseleku posted this beautiful picture yaga Macele with the caption, "Happy birthday to Ndlonkulu yethu Ndlovukazi uMacele umamkhulu Mseleku." And Usne also joined the queue to say happy birthday, mommy. For those who don't know, Macele did raise Usne. She's currently raising Sne's firstborn, Uthando. One thing about Macele, she will do anything for Sne. Happy birthday to Macele. So Abanga was like, no, a happy birthday message is not enough. So she decided to book a flight for her mom as a way to say happy birthday, my mom. I wish you nothing the best. Wow, what a beautiful thing, guys. So let's get to Musa Mseleku and Mpumelelo. So yesterday there was something happening at Mayene's house. There were a lot of people up and down, you know, Abo Mpumelelo, Abo Mayeni, they were all over the place, guys. Musa Mseleku was, you know what, he was busy posting different pictures. So this is the picture he posted, as you can see. Mpumelelo, he's busy cutting the meat. So Musa Mseleku went on to say that in isiZulu, traditionally, Mpumelelo has to do what he's doing ngoba akana mfazi. So according to Musa Mseleku, Mpumelelo still belongs to Jesus. But there was a video, I think a week ago, where it was trending to saying that Mpumelelo has paid lobolo to Tirelo. Even though Tirelo never came out to clear the allegation, she just kept quiet. So we don't know, guys. According to Musa Mseleku, Mpumelelo, he's still single, you know. Even though he has a girlfriend, as long as he hasn't paid a price, he belongs to Jesus. He's not yours. You can be the main chick, you can be a side chick, and when he decides to marry, you can marry the side chick. You are all in the same position. The problem is that English. The difference is that they know you as a main chick, the side chick, you are hidden. So anything can happen. So guys, it is what it is. What Musa Mseleku is trying to expose those because hey, there was no lobolo. There was no lobolo. Maybe they were just having an event because it is festive season. Most of the time people are having event and people were happy, and others were saying that Umayeni looks like she's pregnant. I guys, respect people. Respect people. Anyway, guys, what do you think about Musa Mseleku exposing Utirelo? We thought Utirelo, they did pay lobolo for her, but right now Musa Mseleku is saying that akana mfazi ungane yakhe still belong to Jesus. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.